you ever tried drawing a curve or a circle but haven't got a pair of compasses? Well, you could always draw around a plate or even around a cup. But what happens if you want to draw a circle that's a different size from your plate or your cup? What you need is a homemade compass. Take a piece of cardboard and then take a ruler, it can be 6 inches, 12 inches, or even a metre ruler if you've got one, and just draw around it onto the cardboard like that, all the way around. And then when you've done that, cut it out and you'll have something that looks like that. Then mark a point that's 2 centimetres away from one of the edges and just pop a drawing pin into that point like that and press it firmly through. Now, it's a good idea to put the back of a drawing pad or a thick magazine underneath, otherwise your pin will go into your furniture. Then mark a point anywhere on the card, depending on what size you want your circle, and then just place some blue tack, just a little blob of it, underneath the mark and stick another drawing pin just to make a hole like that. Now, I'm not going to leave that in there, just to start the hole, and then pop your pencil firmly into that hole like that. And then just remove the blue tack, which was protecting your paper, pop your pencil back in, and there you have a homemade compass that draws a perfect circle. Now, you could always put different holes into your compass and draw different sized circles. And don't forget, if you put a hole that's quite far away from your pin, you're going to get a bigger circle. Or if you put a hole that's near to your pin, you're going to get a smaller circle. And you could just use your compass for drawing circles and curves, or you could experiment with it and place the pin at different points along the circle and just draw arcs and patterns like that. One there, I'll just put another one in there to show you. There it goes, putting the pencil in, just hold it in place, and across you go. And if you go across the whole of your circle, doing arcs and patterns, when you've finished, it looks like this. And you could always colour it, like this. Try it yourself. A homemade compass.
Oh, that is a very simple but effective idea. You know, I did one and I took hours and hours going round and round and over it. Do you want to see it?
I wonder if I should have moved the pin.